Welcome to DJH Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW. It's a 430D M Sport. It's X-Drive, 4-wheel drive, finished in stunning popping grey. It's got the extra M Sport body styling kit over it as well. Gloss black alloy wheels, the blue calipers, M Performance, rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, larger rear spoiler, the M Sport body styling as well, Gran Coupe, so it's the hatchback, let's get that right, shall we? Electric tailgate, parcel shelf, carpet mats, beautiful condition. Look at that lovely interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats, and performance on the dash. I love that. Nice little detail. Heated seats, satellite navigation, park distance control, aircon's blown beautifully in carpet pattern. It's got here all day. It's done 106,796 miles, different driving modes, Harman Kardon, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, auto headlights, absolutely everything on this car. Media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, lovely colour combination. At DJH we provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.